A collection of products is easily made. A collection means that you can combine several products into one package. To create a collection, you can go to the button on the top right corner, create collection. And from here, you will be able to add a title. You can give it a description. Of course, you can give it an image. And now we come to the collection type. We can either set it to manual, so we can add products to this collection one by one, or we can set it to automated. Existing and future products that match the conditions you will set automatically will be added towards this collection. So if we go with manual, and let's save this, can go back to our previously made men's t-shirt product, press the pencil icon to edit. If we go to the bottom left corner, we are now able to add them to the men's summerwear. If we want to go with the automated collection, you can now set the collection type to automated. We can set up several conditions to be able to automatically add products towards this collection. In this case, let's go with a product type. And the product type will be t-shirt. And now let's take a look inside the product if this product has been added towards the collection. If you take a look now, you will see that the collections automated has now been set to summerwear for men. And this is the way how you can use collections inside of the e-commerce module.